Saint Tyagaraja, father of Indian Carnatic music, sang, "O mind, by becoming a lover of nada, attain the eternal bliss. By total involvement in that music, through countless ragas which result by the manipulation of the 7 notes of music and which fulfills all the righteous desires." Music is a language that is universal to all. The sounds that emanate from the depths of the soul, conveying the deepest of feelings and strongest of emotions, have the ability to touch the hearts of all living things. It has been said, without music, life would be a mistake. From the melodious calls of the birds to the pitter-patter of rain on the roof, from the lub-dub of the heart to the lullaby of a new mother, each moment of life is suffused with murmurs of music. Research has even shown that music has an incredible ability to reduce pain and change brainwaves, triggering drastic transformations in physical, mental, and emotional health. With such innumerable and vast benefits, music certainly contributes to the well-being and good health of society. Opening the doors to empathy and understanding, music carries a unique ability to nurture brotherhood and unity. When the world has seen a global pandemic that clenched humanity in a vice-like grip, music becomes all the more crucial as a means of remaining grounded and steady within. Stemming from the ancient literature of India such as the Vedas, Agamas, Upanishads, Puranas, Shastras and much more, music has always been an integral part of Indian culture, which is used to convey mystical experiences beyond the comprehension of the human mind. Both orchestral and concert music find their origins in the ancient times of Yagyas and Yagas, as the hymns of Samaveda, evolving over time into what we know today as Carnatic and Hindustani classical music. As the celebrated Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore so eloquently described, music fills the infinite between two souls. Emerging from the supreme, music is a gift to humanity, and with a rich culture of various genre styles and most importantly, the Guru Parampara, it is a collective duty to ensure that this backbone of Indian culture is preserved and passed on to the next generation. The Bharat Sangeeta Sammelan, presented by the Sri Sathya Sai University for Human Excellence, will serve as a platform for veteran musicians to come together and discuss the importance of promoting and protecting Indian classical music. Over the next 2 days of the Sammelan, discussions will take place about the healing effects of Indian classical music, music therapy, the effects of music on special needs children, and classical music as an art beyond entertainment. The Bharat Sangeeta Sammelan will offer food for thought in the form of presentations and group discussions, which will be followed by evening cultural presentations demonstrating the unmatched divine power of music, which stills the mind, cleanses the heart, and touches the soul.